Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, where we are we going to see final rebound, are we going to see a crash? I'm going to cover for you all of this. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates about this crazy cryptocurrency market. Guys, today straight away I want to show you something very important which is going to determine if with Bitcoin we're going to continue to go to the upside or we're going to go down again. And this is called the triple witching options expiry date. So it's going to be a very important event which is going to be happening tomorrow and is going to decide what's going to be happening with stocks and crypto. In general, this triple witching event can cause lots of volatility, so I urge you to be careful tomorrow if you are trading. But also the past performance for the triple witching hasn't been very good for the market. That's why I'm saying that what I could be expecting will be potential pump today of Bitcoin and crypto to then dump tomorrow. But again, that's what could be happening. We don't know. We need to have a look at the charts, at the data, and then we can decide. Now, let's go straight away into the chart for today and let's analyze, Bitcoin, where we are, what's going to be happening, and we can see what's going on. I'm going to go on the daily chart. And of course, guys, when everybody was sleeping and everybody was panicking about this drop in Bitcoin, with our VIP group, we were already buying the dip in crypto like render, fetch, and all of that. As you can see, guys, every single day we are printing green after green. Look at our members, guys. They're doing everything by themselves. I'm going to show you all the charts they're posting. If you want to really join a community of traders, not a community of signals where you're going to do only copy and paste from me, but a community of traders who all going to be able to help you to navigate this market and to trade, to invest, to know what's going to be happening short term, long term. You need to join the VIP group, guys. Bitcoin analysis every single day, altcoin analysis every single day. Look at that. Look at the accuracy that we really cover every possible altcoins. If you want to join, link in the description below. Join, and then you're going to be part of one of the best trading communities that is already available right now. But let's go back into Bitcoin right now and let's see what's happening. So at the moment, guys, on the daily chart, nothing has changed. Bitcoin is still fluctuating around, this area over here. It's going just up and down, up and down, up and down. And what we want to see right now in order to become bullish is the following. I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to go and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So first of all, you can see that at the moment Bitcoin is forming what we call a bullish engulfing candle from here. You can see on the brush. And in general, if today we're going to close like this, that could be very positive for Bitcoin and the crypto market, because in general with this engulfing candle, what signifies? It signifies a change of trend, like a reversal pattern coming in. So if you're going to be able to break this line over here of resistance, then we're going to have this bullish engulfing candle. I could be expecting continuation to go to the upside. So far that's very, very good. And also on the daily chart, I'm going to show you where we are in terms of holding our position. You can see we are still hanging on this diagonal trend line over here. So we're still hanging over here. We still haven't broken this diagonal support. So if you're going to be able to hold this support over here, I can see Bitcoin to continue to go to the upside. And of course, I'm going to show you as well from like intraday to medium day what I'm expecting from here. So at the moment, guys, you can see Bitcoin has gone up this area over here. I'm going to go up to this area, and I can see right now a potential breakout of this area over here. So I'm going to go and zoom in for you. You can see that if you're going to be able to break this area over here at $66,000, I could see Bitcoin to continue to go to the upside and reach potentially 66,600, 66,700. So looking at the charts, from here, what I could be seeing could be potential pullback maybe down to this area, 65,200, and then a nice push to the upside. And if you're going to go here, there's going to be a very important inflection point. Why? Because there is a diagonal level of resistance around this area over here. And if you're going to be able to break it, then I can see Bitcoin to continue to pump up to this area, and we can see, utilizing our Fibonacci retracement, how high we could pump to. So looking at the Fibonacci retracement, I will say that a good retracement could be as high as $67,700. So I would like to see at least Bitcoin to go up to this area over here if we're gonna be able to break this point. But at the moment, it looks quite bullish. I might say, even from like a pattern point of view, I'm gonna go on the 1 hour to show you what I can see as a pattern. So we're gonna go from here and just make it. Sorry, actually I thought I was on the 1 hour chart and I went into a 1 minute chart. That's why I could not understand what it was. But looking at the pattern from here, guys, it looks, in my opinion, that Bitcoin is forming what we call an Adam and Eve pattern. So you can see the Adam, it's over here, this sharp trend line like that, and then there is more of a curve dome like that. So in general, this is called Adam and Eve pattern, and it is successful. It's going to be able to bring us back roughly around this area over here, which was at $67,300. So we could see maybe something like this, and then we need to assess if we're going to see more continuation to the downside or a final breakout to back to 70,000 or even higher. So I guess we have to, wait and see. Now, that's it for Bitcoin, guys. I don't have anything else to show you as for now, but I also want to have a look, what's happening with the stock market, with the DXY, so we can have a really to understand the point of the situation, where we are. And of course, if you want to know more about the altcoins, join our VIP group, guys. We put analysis every single day for you to be updated every day. So let's have a look at now something very important is the US 10 years treasury yield, guys. This is very important to understand where are we going with stocks and with crypto. And as you can see, as we always say, the US 10 years at the moment is going into a downtrend. So in general, whenever you see this 10 years going to the downtrend, that usually signifies weakness in the fixed income market, but also signifies strength into the stock market. And therefore, if this trend is going to continue to go to the downside, what we could be seeing could be a continuation, like a downtrend down to this area over here at roughly 4.1%, and that could be very positive for, very bullish for crypto and stocks as well. So you're going to see this one pointing up like this. That's not good for stocks and crypto. Down this way, it can be very good. But at the moment, we are still going down, which is, I would say, quite positive. Something I would like to urge you a little bit to be careful is on the 4 hour chart. You can see a little bit of a bullish divergence now on the fixed income, and if this one starts to continue to go higher, I would like you to be very careful, maybe with a short-term correction. But right now, the macro trend is still going down. You can also see on the weekly chart a little bit better. You can see like it started to break, and once it's gonna be able to break this line over here, guys, that's gonna be incredible. I think I can really see Bitcoin breaking 90K, 100K once we break this level over here. What's happening? People are selling their fixed income to put them into risk assets like Bitcoin and crypto. Next one I want to have a look as well is the DXY, very important dollar currency index, which is right now pumping to the upside, and it wants to break this diagonal level of resistance. So you have to be very careful in this situation here, because if you're going to see the DXY pumping to the upside, then could put lots of pressure into the cryptocurrency market. And looking at right now, it looks like the DXY is about to break this level of resistance. And of course, if that happens, that could be quite negative for stocks and crypto, and I could be seeing a potential pullback in the cryptocurrency market. And then you can even see, like, from here, if I just post this over here, there is a channel that is telling me right now that we're going and probably touch this area over here at roughly 108 with the DXY, and also there is this bigger channel over here which brings me roughly at 108. And as I said before, if that happens, won't be as positive for stocks and crypto. We might see Bitcoin revisiting maybe $62,000, maybe $61,000. But again, from a macro point of view, as I always like to say, you can even go on the monthly. This looks more like a corrective move, and I can see the DXY to go lower in the next upcoming months. Why? Because the Federal Reserve will soon rather than later cut interest rates, and when that happens, the dollar is going to lose value like crazy, and the target is going to be at 95. When that happens, Bitcoin will be potentially 100,000 or even above. The next one I want to also talk about today is the S&P 500, guys. S&P 500, again, like, looking incredible, pushing up like crazy. As I always said before, I was expecting the DXY to go as high as 5,600 before having a proper correction. So I could be seeing maybe going, as high as here before correcting. And then when that happens, we could see as well, maybe just like this. I do have a couple of theories with the S&P 500. So if we're going to see a bullish correction consolidation with the S&P due to just people taking profits, then I could be seeing a money rotation from the S&P 500 to Bitcoin, and therefore you're going to see a potential correction down here to the S&P 500 with Bitcoin pumping like there's no tomorrow, playing catching up, because in the last 3 weeks Bitcoin has been going on a downtrend, whereas the S&P went to the upside like that. So that could be seen like a money rotation, but otherwise, if you're not going to see that, we're going to see a DXY pumping to the upside, and we're going to see S&P going down. There is also like a risk that along with this correction, Bitcoin could go down as well. But again, this is all like theory, and I would like you to be prepared for every possible scenario. But so far, as I said before, today is quite good. I can expect more continuation until tomorrow for the triple witching day, and then we are going to decide, the direction that we are going to take. But of course, you can always short the market, you can always long the market. So that's why in our VIP, guys, just short, long, we just do everything just to make money every single day. So give me a favor, join this crazy community that is going to really help you to navigate the crypto market. But otherwise, guys, that's it for today. Still looks amazing, still very excited. I want to see Bitcoin going to 90,000, 100,000 like you do, but it's important to be very objective into this crazy cryptocurrency market. Guys, take care, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video.